Hello everyone, Salman Tariq here. In this video, I will show you how we can create a ClickFunnel form inside the high level. As you know, high level has a very simple form design. We simply need to go to the site and then go to the form and then create a new form. Let it load. Basically, I will name it. I will name it SP forms. Okay. Basically, a lot of amazing video is on the way. And that start with this. We first need to add couple of fields here: first name, last name, phone, and email. Okay, and then simply need to add a button here, and we can simply rename it to the submit and make some changes like in the center and make it full width. Okay, and simply save the form. Okay, it is saved. Now we need to go back to the funnel and then go back to the demo. This is the funnel that I have created a couple minutes ago, and let's add a new funnel here. New funnel page here means SP funnels, and create a new step here. Just start with the create from blank. Add a section here. Let me copy it and back to the form as well, and simply add a row and add an element form. Now we just need to select the form that we have created few moments ago, which will be named as ST funnel. And as you can see, it will look like a default form design in GoHighlevel. We simply need to save it. Now the main question is how we can change it to the amazing design like the ClickFunnel forms. We just need to go back to the forms and then need to edit the form that we have created a few moments ago, and you just need to add another field name as HTML here, and simply need to copy the script that I have created, copy it, and simply paste that here. Okay, and save it, and simply save form. They will give us the option. Yeah, it is saved now. Now as you can see, it will look like that. We need to save this, and let's preview it how it will look like after we have updated the HTML code inside the form here. Look, now it will look like the ClickFunnel form. Okay, this is the way you can create a GoHighlevel level form and make it look like the ClickFunnel form. Okay, and let me know if you have any questions and need help. I will definitely help you regarding your questions. Thank you.